We're being joined now by Walt Zaleski. He's a meteorologist with the NOAA National Weather Service Southern Region headquarters there. Walt, thanks for being with us today. So can you give us non-sciencey folks a breakdown of this? How are hurricanes of such intensity formed?
Well, this time of the year, most of our tropical storms and hurricanes originate in an area called the Intertropical Convergence Zone, which is just near the equator. This is where the ocean temperatures warm up the greatest this time of year by the end of summer. So this is kind of a normal thing for the Earth to do. It releases heat energy and helps push that heat energy up to the poles to help cool the Earth. Now, the starting process for all of this is these tropical waves that come off the southwestern portion of the African continent, well south of the Saharan Desert. And this is an area of Africa where these waves basically emanate and then move westward into the Atlantic Ocean, where they start picking up additional moisture. Now, the key ingredient for tropical storms and hurricanes in which to develop, you have to have water temperatures right around the 80-degree mark. And once that is met, then you have abundant moisture that can rise and condense into clouds. Those clouds then turn into showers and thunderstorms, and before you know it, you have whole families of showers and storms that form together to start a depression. And then as the storm continues to intensify and grow more showers and thunderstorms, then it turns into a hurricane, and in some cases, they can transform into these large monsters that we call major hurricanes. Those are Category 3 or better.
Mm-hmm. And can you tell us what the Sahara Desert has to do with hurricanes? What do deserts have to do with these at all?
Well, these do not originate near the Sahara Desert. This is the southwestern portion of the African coast. So again, it's away from the Sahara Desert. This is an area that typically has waves of low pressure that work their way, again, from east to west, from the southwestern portion of the African coast, and they worked their way westward over the warm waters of the Intertropical Convergence Zone, where water temperatures are well above 80 degrees. That produces the fertile ground for these storm systems to develop, grow, intensify, and release great amount of energy in the form of wind, rain, lightning, and flooding rainfall.
Now, a little bit of history behind this. I understand that many thousands of years ago, the Sahara Desert was once wet and green, lush land. Now, over the course of several thousands of years, the landscape of northern Africa kind of moved over from a diverse wet ecosystem to the conditions that we're seeing today. If such conditions still remained the same as they were, would we be seeing the hurricanes that we're seeing now?
Well, that's kind of a difficult question to say, but to answer. But the main point here I think we should all take away is that hurricanes and tropical storms are a normal part of the Earth's atmosphere trying to find equilibrium. It's normal to have hurricanes this time of the year. In fact, we are reaching our climatic normal peak time of the year right around September 10th, and the busiest time for tropical storms and hurricanes to release this heat energy that's built up throughout the summertime months from the Intertropical Convergence Zone of the Atlantic Ocean is during the months of September and October. So this is normal. We've been having hurricanes in this part of the world for hundreds, if not thousands of years. Thousands of years. So this is a normal part of the Earth trying to cool itself.
I see. Now, that's a little historical part. Can you look into your crystal ball for us? What can we expect in the future? Is there anything mankind can do to prevent or stop these types of hurricanes?
We may not be able to stop any kind of a hurricane, but what we can do is be smart and prepare and guard and arm ourselves with the knowledge that science provides us at this time, and that our agency, the National Weather Service, provides its citizens in the ability to get information well before the storms actually impact an area, prepare for them, safeguard their families, and make sure they put themselves out of harm's way. We've been able to provide the American public multiple days of advance notification about this impending natural disaster that could occur here in coming days by providing satellite information, forecast tracks, reconnaissance information through our Hurricane Hunter aircraft, sharing this with the rest of the world, not only here with our Americans, but with our Caribbean friends throughout the area. So it's a testament to man's ability to use science to help provide the public information that they can use to safeguard themselves against these natural events.
Okay, so from what I'm understanding, no stopping them, but you can definitely prevent yourself and keep yourself safe. Thank you so much, Walt Zaleski, meteorologist with the NOAA National Weather Service, Southern Region Headquarters. Thank you so much, Walt. All right, to better understand the origins of hurricanes, we're being joined now by Walt Zaleski. He's a meteorologist with the NOAA National Weather Service, Southern Region Headquarters there. Walt, thanks for being with us today. So can you give us non-sciencey folks a breakdown of this? How are hurricanes of such intensity formed?
Well, this time of the year, most of our tropical storms and hurricanes originate in an area called the intertropical convergence zone, which is just near the equator. This is where the ocean temperatures